California, baby. now, the Shag Rats are currently celebrating we're celebrating our 10-year anniversary. Started the band in 2005, and that's what we're currently doing. So we're throwing a bunch of shows. As you can see, we have like tonight the Strawberry Alarm Clock at the Whisky Go-Go. In July with Dick Dale at the Whisky Go-Go. June. Wow. In July with Cannibal and the Headhunters. And then a super secret one in August coming through as well. So that's what we're doing right now as far as live shows. And some big bashes for our 10-year.
Yeah. Man, you guys been doing it since you were kids.
Yeah. Senior in high school.
Wow. Started with this band and never left. Continued with this band. Right. I learned my instrument in this band too.
Really?
Yeah, with this guy too.
Yeah. Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, I joined the band back in I believe it was 2012. You know, the road drummer had other issues, so I joined the band. I was with another band, but you know, I felt glad playing with them. I followed them as a kid as well. I listened to them. I enjoy going to their shows. They asked me to play for them, and since then I've never left, and I'm not planning to either. So you know, it's great. And enjoying my time with them since then.
Since those 10 years have gone by, what are the most memorable things that just pops out after all those years?
I've got to say, playing alongside with the Premiers. They've been such a big influence on me personally, and I'm sure Lewis too. I mean, even to this day, I have to pinch myself and say, damn, did I really play bass for them? Yeah, I did. I played Farmer John live alongside John and Lawrence, and that's probably top for me.
You're ready to die.
Yeah, that's what I said. That's what I said right after that happened. I'm ready to die, man.
Anything else? What about you guys?
My experience, I just joined about a year ago. Yeah, a year. I'm new for a year. My most favorite experience would be playing in a bus. That was a lot of fun. Driving around downtown LA.
Davey Allen.
Davey Allen.
This guy's really into surf.
Yeah, I'm a big surf guy. I played from a surf band. We're called the Surf Nazis.
But see him hang 10.
That was fun. A year, man. A year. Wow.
Time flies.
What about you? What's the most memorable things?
Well, definitely like playing with a lot of my heroes, like growing up. Like we played with Slaughter and the Dogs, the Simple Tones, like all those punk bands. And that was a big thing for me. And definitely playing with the Premiers, like you said, guitar for them. That was wild. And Lawrence gets down. He's really good. Hands down. He's like he tops me. So, there you go. And that's it. Playing with my heroes, still going, making everybody dance. That's what I like. Yeah, it's really cool that people are still dancing. Every time we play, we always have like from the youngest kids to like old grannies and you know, like just dancing. It induces dancing. So,
that's what I noticed on your videos. You have this way of just making people groove on the dance floor. And
yeah, ultimately that's the mission.
Have fun.
Dance. Plain and simple.
Yeah.
10 years in it, we're not signed. We've turned down a couple deals and just let it dance, man. Make people dance.
about
Plain and simple.
touring? I mean, you had toured in the past, right?
Not really. We've gone as far south as San Diego, as far up north as Oakland, but that's really it.
California.
Yeah.
It's all West Coast.
Yeah.
Yeah, West Coast, just strictly California.
kinda
We'd like
hard.
to expand.
We'd love to.
Yeah.
Love to, but it's kind of difficult.
Yeah, it's typical
For us.
now. Yeah, we're all doing our own thing, trying
Working.
working most of
Family.
the time.
Family.
It's kind of hard to even get together sometimes, but we're making the best of it as we can. We're trying our best, and hopefully we show more songs, make more videos, hopefully soon, and sometime in the future, hopefully, record an album. That'll be great as well. But for now, we're just focusing on the live shows and with the people and for the people. I would say, for our fans.
But you have a good following.
Yeah.
You built that following for so long.
Yeah. I like to think so. Yeah.
Yeah, but are they just as old as you now, or have they grown up with you guys?
Yeah, there's a mixture of people, ages.
Yeah.
Just older cats, younger cats, and mixed.
Okay. So you did mention recording. That's something you would love to do.
Yeah. Right now we don't have the funds for that.
Sounds like you guys do. You're more a live band than a studio band.
Yeah, kind of like the groupies. Very.
Yeah.
We have a lot of similarities to them.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah.
I can hear you on vinyl doing that.
Yeah.
That live sound.
It's definitely what we want to do in the recording. Well, I want to try analog, and that's very hard to get a hold of.
Yeah.
And definitely live, even if it's in a studio, as long as the whole band's playing at once. I don't want to do like tracks. It just makes it feel more like one thing. Yes. I want to do that.
That's a good idea, and I love your artwork. I love all those strange releases on the internet.
Oh yeah.
That's
A lot of art.
that would be me. But yeah.
Also Mario Aguayo also would make a lot of flyers for us.
And my brother too. He's a
Brother
cartoonist.
Angel.
My brother Angel. He does
Doing a lot of great work.
crazy.
Just friends helping us out, doing it for free.
You guys have like a promo team behind you now, so might as well just do that vinyl record,
Yeah.
7-inch.
We should.
We're not getting any younger.
Oh come on, Strawberry Alarm Clock. How old are those guys?
We're the sloths, huh? They just barely now recorded 50 years later. I want to go down that road. No, just kidding.
All right. Any last words?
Oh, here's our singer Derek.
Yeah, he's going.
Yeah, so
Great.
yeah.
Anything you want to add, or? It's a live interview right now. No? Okay. I'm going to wrap it up then.
Come out to our shows.
Yes.
We need to see more of you. That's it.
And come to the Bay Area. I'd like to see you up there.
Yeah, we'd love to.
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Persuasions, clutter your mind. Incense, peppermint's the color of time. Who cares what games we choose? Lose you win, but nothing to lose. Incense and peppermint's meaningless now.